The world of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters has never been short of drama, emotion, and unexpected twists. From the beginning, fans have followed the ups and downs of Amy Slayton and her sister Tammy as they navigated weight struggles, relationships, and family changes. Now, a new chapter is unfolding for Amy that has sparked both excitement and curiosity among viewers. Recent reports and social media updates suggest that Amy has welcomed what she's calling her new baby with her boyfriend Brian, and the announcement immediately set the fandom buzzing. Questions quickly surfaced. What does she mean by new baby? How does this affect her two young sons she shares with her ex-husband Michael Halterman, and does Michael still have a relationship with the boys? For longtime fans, Amy's motherhood journey has been central to her storyline on 1000 LB Sisters. Her determination to lose weight was largely fueled by her dream of becoming a mom, and after her first major weight loss, she gave birth to her first son, Gage, in 2020. 2 years later, she welcomed her second son, Glenn, in 2022. While she was overjoyed, her marriage to Michael began crumbling shortly after. The couple eventually separated in 2023 and went through a messy divorce that played out both in the media and within the TLC camera's lens. Michael and Amy's relationship ended with accusations of disagreements about parenting styles, financial disputes, and claims that Michael wasn't as involved in raising the children as Amy wanted him to be. Since then, Amy has been publicly focused on rebuilding her life and providing stability for her boys. But when fans saw her refer to welcoming a new baby with her current partner Brian, speculation erupted online. Some initially assumed Amy had given birth again, but that wasn't the case. Instead, the new baby Amy was referring to turned out to be a new addition to her family in a different form, her and Brian's new pet. The couple welcomed a puppy together, and Amy joyfully announced the furry friend on her social media. She referred to the dog as her new baby, which reflects not only her playful personality but also the deep emotional value pets often hold for their owners. For Amy, who has gone through heartbreak and a difficult divorce, this new companion represents comfort, joy, and the feeling of building a family alongside Brian. Still, the announcement stirred another round of conversations among fans. What about Amy's real babies, Gage and Glenn? Are they spending time with Michael, or has her ex-husband stepped away from co-parenting responsibilities? Based on multiple reports and fan observations, Michael does still see his children, but his involvement has remained limited and sometimes contentious. During their divorce proceedings, Amy reportedly asked the court for full custody of the boys, citing disagreements about safety and claiming that Michael wasn't a responsible parent in certain circumstances. The custody situation became a focal point of their split, and though details remain private, insiders have suggested that Amy holds primary custody while Michael retains visitation rights. This delicate arrangement means that Michael is still in the picture, but Amy is the main caretaker for Gage and Glenn. That balance has fueled debates online about whether Michael is doing enough as a father and whether Amy has the support she needs. Many fans sympathize with Amy, pointing out that she has always been hands-on with her kids, even while balancing her own health journey and the pressures of being in the public eye. On the other hand, some viewers argue that it's important for Michael to maintain a consistent role in the boys' lives, no matter how strained his relationship with Amy may be. The introduction of Brian into Amy's family dynamic also complicates the picture. Amy and Brian's relationship has drawn mixed reactions from fans. Some are thrilled to see her moving on and finding happiness after a painful divorce, while others worry about how quickly she introduced her new boyfriend to her children. But Amy has shown in various TikToks and Instagram posts that Brian has been affectionate and supportive with both Gage and Glenn. The decision to get a new baby puppy together signals that Amy is serious about her relationship with Brian, as pets often symbolize stability and shared responsibility. Why in a household? For Amy, the idea of family has always extended beyond traditional boundaries. She often says that her children, her pets, and her loved ones all make up her world, and she proudly shares milestones with fans. By calling the puppy her new baby, she has stirred light-hearted excitement but also revealed a deeper layer of her emotional healing. After years of turmoil, she seems eager to focus on positivity, nurturing bonds, and creating new memories. Meanwhile, Michael's connection to the boys remains under scrutiny. While not much has been shared directly by Michael himself, he has mostly stayed quiet on social media since the divorce. There are signs he still sees his sons, at least on a scheduled basis. Some insiders have claimed that Michael attends birthday parties and family events for the kids, though he is less visible compared to Amy's frequent updates. Fans who closely follow the Slayton family note that Michael has never been a major presence in the show itself, which adds to the mystery surrounding his role as a father post-divorce. Still, sources close to Amy suggest that she wants her sons to have a relationship with their dad, as long as it doesn't compromise their well-being. The broader fanbase of 1000 LB Sisters is deeply invested in Amy's personal growth. From her early struggles with weight to achieving her dream of motherhood, Amy has proven that she can push through obstacles. Her openness about her life, including her challenges and triumphs, has made her relatable to viewers worldwide. The new puppy, though not the human baby some fans first imagined, represents a symbolic fresh start for Amy. It shows that she is still embracing love, nurturing, and joy, even after heartbreak. What happens next in Amy's journey will undoubtedly continue to capture headlines. Will her relationship with Brian last and perhaps even lead to marriage? Will Michael step up his role as a father, or will the custody arrangement remain the same? And how will Amy balance her responsibilities as a mother with her own personal happiness? These are the questions fans are eagerly watching as TLC potentially prepares for another season of 1000 LB Sisters. In the end, the story of Amy Slayton welcoming a new baby with Brian is more than just a cute update about a pet. It symbolizes the resilience of a woman who has endured public scrutiny, marital breakdown, and the challenges of raising two young children largely on her own. It highlights the importance of finding joy in small moments, building connections that matter, and focusing on healing after pain. As for Michael, while his presence in Gage and Glenn's lives remains somewhat limited, it appears he has not completely walked away. The hope, for both fans and Amy herself, is that the children will continue to receive love and care from both parents, even if the family is no longer under one roof. Amy's new chapter is only beginning, and like all chapters in her story, it promises to be filled with both challenges and triumphs. Whether it's through the bond she builds with Brian, the joy of raising her sons, or the playful energy of her new baby, puppy, Amy continues to show that life after heartbreak can still be full of love, laughter, and fresh beginnings. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.